Hi guys and welcome back. So today I have a tutorial / get ready with me on the look you can see me wearing right now on the screen. So it's just very simple look. I really just wanted to play around with the neutral shades in the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette. So that's what we did today, and I wanted to focus more on the glittery shade on my eye. I was going to wear falsies, but I can't find my glue. So to start off with, I'm tying my hair back because I can't just tuck it behind my ears now. I can, but not while I'm doing my makeup. So I had to tie it back, and also, long story short, don't cut your hair. For foundation today, I'm using the Rimmel Lasting Matte. I also had a primer already on because I went to film this video earlier and got called out to do something. So I already had the Rimmel Stay Matte primer on, and I'm just applying this foundation with my Chi Chi sponge. And the colours and the shades and everything will be listed down below in case you are wondering. But I'm just applying that all over. It has pretty decent coverage on me, but I didn't want to be completely flawless. And then I'm just applying some concealer. For the life of me, cannot remember what it was, but I'm pretty sure this is my E.l.f 16-hour Camo concealer or something like that. I don't know. It looks a bit too dewy. It might be my Folklore one. I don't know. I will have a look and see if it sparks my memory. Over the top of the concealer, I'm using my M.a.c Soft Ochre Paintpot because it's literally the only thing that stops my eyes from creasing and going horribly oily. And then I'm just setting that with my little angled brush, and I'm pretty sure I'm using my Sugar Box powder under my eyes. And on my face, I'm using this Rimmel Clear Complexion powder. I like it, but it makes your foundation darken so much more. So if you're someone whose foundation's a bit too light for them, this powder's really nice. I mean, it was nice and smooth and everything, but it, made my foundation darken so much more. Then I just go off camera to do my brows because you guys don't really need to see that. And here we go. So yeah, just ignore my brows. For bronzer, I'm using the Rimmel Sun Shimmer bronzer in medium matte. And I didn't want everything to be focused on my face. I wanted more of the focus to be on my eyes. So that's why I'm using a lighter bronzer today. And I'm applying it with the the Real Techniques buffing brush. And I'm using my blush brush, obviously, to apply one of my Hourglass blushes. And then I'm using my Becca Pearl highlighter on my whole face. I want it to be glowy, even though my foundation is matte. This is how I get my glow. Then for my eyes, I'm using the Alyssa Edwards Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am first going in with the shade down the bottom there. I cannot remember for the life of me what it's called, but the shades will be listed down below anyway, but it's the more khaki transition shade. And I'm making it like a transition shade, but a slightly bit darker than a normal one. Then I'm going in with the colour Back Rolls, which is the dark chocolate brown in the palette. And I didn't want it to be super dark, so I'm just building it up a little bit. And then I'm going to really buff it out with a denser brush. And then, after lots and lots of blending, I put on my Maybelline Colour Tattoo in, I believe it's Bold Gold. It's like the, metallic, peridot, almost greeny gold colour one. And then I just grabbed the shimmery goldy shade in the Anastasia palette, and look at that metallicness. I always put a base under my shadows just because that's how it sticks better to my eyes, but I mean, this shadow does look amazing even without one. And then after a lot more blending on my upper lid, I am going and just putting some of the other shades on my lower lash line. Again, it's that khaki toned transition shade I used, and the Back Rolls shade, and I believe I also put a little bit of black just on my actual lashes, just to make them look a little bit longer. Afterwards, I am using the pale white shade, the matte white shade in the palette, as my inner corner highlighter, and I lost the clip for it, but I also put my face highlighter over the top. Last but not least, I'm using the Stila. This is not the Magnificent Metals, it's the Eyeshadow and Glow one, Glitter and Glow, whatever it's called. Again, I don't remember the shade, but it will be listed down below, and this just added an extra metallic, shimmery and glittery pop, and it was amazing. I love it. It's in a mini size too. Next I'm just applying several coats of mascara. The ones I had open at the time are not overly dramatic, so I just had to pile them up. I wanted to put falsies on, but I could not find my itty bitty tube of glue. I have since found it and it has gone off, so I do need to purchase another one. But for now, you guys get the gist of it. I mean, it's just mostly my camera that doesn't pick up my mascara. Last but not least, we have the lips, and I'm using my slightly cooler toned lip liner. This set of black ones are from Wish, and they don't actually have names, so I'm just saying this is like the cooler tone nude. I have another couple of nude colours that are a lot more warm toned, but this one's a cooler toned one. And then over the top, I'm using the Sephora lipstick I got in the shade, I think it's called Tan Lines. It's number 6, and I'm just applying that over the top. And I have to say, I love this lipstick. I am definitely buying more. It's a really nice formula. Last but not least, I am applying the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Fairy Floss over the top. Again, just a little bit, not too much. A little bit just to tie it all together. And there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All the products will be listed down below. I hope you have a good day, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!